Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're going to be taking a look at the roof sunshade. So these are the roof sunshade for the Model Y, and it's a configuration for all Model Ys. And it comes in two sets, of one for the front and one for the rear. And right now they're in the shape of an oval, but once you open it up, it's in the shape of a square or a rectangle. So if you guys want to pick these up, I'll put the link of the Amazon storefront down below in the description. So you guys can go check it out and go ahead and just get these for yourself. Ideally, the sunshade for the roof is technically the sunshade for your front windshield. So if you guys like the fact that to have your roof covered and have no sunlight going in, no like the sun rays going in, you don't like the sight of the sun on the roof, this is more so your configuration for your vehicle. But if you guys like the glass roof, you like to see through it, especially at night or in the morning, daytime, whatever, then more likely you guys might as well just leave it alone, or just get your roof tinted for the sake of preventing heat going inside your car a lot more quicker than without it. The sunshade will come with these type of clips. So these are the three important clips that you guys will need. So for this one, this goes in the center, so that holds both of the front and the rear sunshade together. This one just holds the center of it, and this holds the side of it. So having these three are a key component. Just need 4 of these, 1 of these, and 2 of these. So into the roof, putting the clips into these plastic panels are not that hard, because there is a gap between the glass and the plastic panel. So for this specific one, it's the middle one, so you could line it up within the logo right here of the roof, if you guys can see that. Line that up, just stick it right there, just like that. These small clips are going to go on the sunshade itself, and it's easier that way than having it on the roof than not. The reflective side, so you can just literally slide this up and down, so that's the easiest part. So by the time you put it on, you can put it however you want. Like you can put one on this end like that, and then you can put one on this side, same thing as well, just like that. And one at the bottom right here. Alright, so let's get this thing on, and then we'll get to the center portion of this region. Grabbing this piece, this is for the center. So the center will be right here. This is the center, and most people don't even put this on, and that's okay. But some people would, have this on. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put it on. Bear with me. I'm doing this with one hand, so just bear with me on this. So try to find an opening real quick like that. It's the same thing how you're gonna put on these clips, the small clips, same thing. You can also slide it back and forth. So this flat end will be facing towards the sun. Try to get it clipped, and then do this side as well. Again, I'm doing this with one hand. There you go. Oh, that was actually pretty easy with one hand. And then slide it however you want. You can have one in the center, or something. There's a tag right here. Okay, let's try this one. Let's do this one again. Find the gap, find the opening. There you go. That. And there you go. Slide it. Perfect. And you're pretty much done after this. Alright guys, that's the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoyed this product. Sooner or later, if you guys are going to be getting this, and I actually feel like it's a beneficial thing for those who really don't like the glass roof or don't like the sun, you know, piercing through your glass and bothering you while you're just driving it. But it really depends, right? Like at the end of the day, you could get tint or you get this. This is a cheaper alternative. And again, you guys can pick up this item in my Amazon storefront in the description below. So end up, if you have any other questions, feel free to comment down in the section below or DM me on Instagram. So peace out.